Hello and welcome back to this course, and today in this video we are going to set up our IDE for writing our Java programs. So before writing our programs, I want to show you that how you can set up our IDE. So there are a bunch of IDE in the market that you can use for your Java programming, but I will recommend you three IDE that you can use, but you have to use that IDE in which you will feel comfortable. So first of all, we have NetBeans, which is one of the most popular IDE for creating Java programs, and other is the Eclipse Java. And now this IDE is also one of the most popular IDE for basically writing Java codes. And at last we have IntelliJ. And IntelliJ IDEA is one of the popular IDE for writing the Java codes. Now three are different IDEs that you can use to write your Java programs, but throughout this course we are going to use the NetBeans because most of the people feel comfortable while using the NetBeans. So first step that you want to do is you just have to go to Google, and here you have to search for JDK, and you will see this Oracle official website. Just click on it. And from here you have to simply download this JDK. Simply click on download, and after that simply select here your operating system. For example, I have Windows, so I simply select here Windows 64-bit, and I download this zip file. Okay, so I have to agree, and then I have to click on download, and you can see that my download has been started. I have already downloaded and installed JDK in my computer. It is just easy to install software. Just download it and install it on your computer. Just after installing this JDK, you have to set up your IDE. So you can download anyone from here. I am going to use the NetBeans for this course. So simply search for NetBeans and click on download from here. So first of all, we have the Java Standard Edition, in which you have NetBeans Platforms SDK, Java Standard Edition, Java FX. This is in Java EE. We have all these. In HTML5 we have this. In PHP we have this. In C++ we have this. You can download either Java SE or either you can download this all from here. Right now in my laptop I have installed this all because I want to access all the features, because I also use this IDE for other programming languages like C++ and PHP. So you can download this Java SE, Java EE or all. You can download anyone from these three versions, but right now you can use the Java Standard Edition and Java EE. That's totally dependent upon you that which you want to use. If you only want to use Java Standard Edition, then simply you have to click on here download, and your download should start automatically. So here your NetBeans will start downloading, and after that you just have to download it and install it on your computer. I have already installed this NetBeans on my computer. You can see here it is 94 MB. So you can download it and install it on your computer, but I have already installed JDK and NetBeans on your computer. Now just after installing it, we will start writing our code, but we will write our code in our next videos, in which we will print hello world on the screen. So right now you just have to install one IDE on your computer or laptop. I have given you three best IDE: NetBeans, Eclipse and IntelliJ. You can use anyone from these IDEs. These all IDEs are perfect and best for writing Java codes. So you need two things: one is JDK and one is the IDE. You can download the JDK from the official website of Oracle. I have shown you that how you can download it from this website, and also you have to download one IDE in which you are interested. And after just install the JDK and the software IDE that you want to use. Installing process is just simple, just like the other softwares. And just after installing that, you have to do nothing. I will show you that how you can use NetBeans or print the hello world on the screen in our next video. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.